just chilling, in block food sand food, and I've got the question. So it's gonna be hard with this. I'm in my own portrait, and also I got this coaster. I don't know. Can you believe? He dropped something? And also it was a well, it's my this guy, Buddha, he just killed my chief petty officer. And also, it was my class.
Daw. Dapat nilalaro mo si Life.
Ha?
Life.
Ano?
Life.
Light?
Hmm.
Gina?
RPG din. Maganda din yun. Adventure. Parang,
May mga RPG ako na
parang
game.
Ragnarok.
Ayoko yung Ragnarok. Hindi
Ayaw
ako
mo?
nag... Ayoko yung mga anime na games.
Hmm.
Kasi mapangit.
Ayaw mo na yun?
Anime.
Ayaw mo?
Ayaw. Gusto ko lang yung mga mapogi na
Mga
look.
pogi na looking. Ay, talaga naman.
Paano mo ito kayo nakamama?
So I'm gonna go Roblox and see what I get.
Wala.
Kaya may ma.
Ang buhay tayo.
Ay, ko naman ay kasama.
I got this. Got you, bro. Back for Hindi, World War.
Sama sila ka.
tatanggalin ko. Wala. Oo, pati kayo magmagano. Bye-bye. Sige, ano ka ba? Oo. Bye-bye. So guys, I just played something. That was so weird. So guys, let's go back to my little fortress and see if we are stronger now. And also, I hope we find a food in here. No. It's like food spawn everywhere. Hey, did you know it? Guys, time to go to my main fortress. Go and go to my okay guys, so today here we are in Marine Starter where I live, and look at this ugly one.
Oy, uminom ka nito. Ano, feeling dito ka?
No.
Hindi na?
Akala ko ba ganun? Marami ka pang ari po. Sinabang ba yun?
Come on. We're near. And here we go. Here. Hey, we're here. All my devices are low bat though. That's not low bat, that's 72%. guys had me not confused. Okay guys, he's not funny. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna
Session na ba
be
ga?
okay.
Session na. Ha?
We can be okay and see if someone will try to kill me.
Gigigil ako. Pero hindi bakit naman yun?
Why is everyone not here? What's happening?
Yarisa na, saan kayo? Ano to, Vince? Wala na. Ayaw na. Sabi na yung pinakalas na dati. Ubusin na yung mouse mo naman. Hoy! Masabi sila daw sa kanya ikalibot lang ang lupa ninyo. Ay sabi maraming lupa. Ay sabi daw ni Kuya, pwede mo kasabay sa lupa mo makalim yung bahay mo. Ay, ano ba dahil pa kayo hindi mo
And once this guy is spawned, you're able to hire him for 1 diamond. After that, you have your own diamond.
Hoy, sabi ni Ate Maan, ay magsama daw sila at ayaw si Kuya Epoy. At sabi daw nga niya, ay sobrang sabi ko. Si Ira. Ira. Kuya Epoy. Sino?
Isang mangkwan lang eh. Hindi ko yung gym na.
Dapat sinama sa
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, sabi doon, after start na, eh, sinabi nila, sa iba pinatapos sa aga, napatulungan ko yan. Ninang ka naman eh, sabi ko, sige, ninang naman yun, umakit ako, bigay ko masama sa sakyan doon, tulungan mo. Diba, tulungan mo pa.
Pwede na rin ang kinagiging.
Wait, saan ka doon ba naman?
Di ba natin?
Kasi yung sa atin ninyo doon, sa tulo, nasubuan kayo ng patulo, Ito paano hindi asubuan na gawa ng ano? Ito paano hindi asubuan na sa patulo? Hindi naman yung atin ninyo. Sabi niya sa amin ng katulong. Pero naliguan sa tuyo na
Itutulog namin sa...
ano pa? Manos pa?
Sa iba rin nasa palikod. Kaya nandun.
Ayaw mo wala na kasi maulan. Si Arnel yung kasama nun sa taas? Doon sa ano?
Yeah, look at my house. Yeah, look at my house. It's 1015.
Okay ka na?
Yung mga binigyan sa sakyan. Ang laki lang tingin pero
Si Arnel mali na ka ba yung basta gatawin?
pwede kong gamitin yung bars na sila ng rato. Tira-tira at mga bibliyota. Kasi na-import pa ang Pinas.
Wala kang mga
Sabi mo maliit yan. Ay, walang pala. Maliit mo na yun. Yan. Diba nakabalot siya sa puto? Ayaw na nila sa kanya nakabalot dapat isa nakalabas. 30 seconds na. Nagamasok siya pala dito.
Saan na malapit? Moon or Mindanao? Ang malapit. Moon or Mindanao? Nakikita mo ba ang Mindanao? Nakikita mo. Ano malapit? Mindanao or
Dito ka sa turtle.
hindi nga. Okay, kung ano naman natin mo eh. Yeah, yung load mo, oh. Sira na yan, mamaya natin. Tabusin mo na yan.
Hindi mo bigay mo kung ano ako.
Yan, mga sinasaw na to.
Ugat mo lang. Kahit ako mula ang ayaw pa muna na dapat
Kaya.
Pinalikuan niya sa kwan. Malamanti. Ay, lahat pala naman. Yung second na ito na. Dinner boy order ka to. Dinner boy order ka
Hindi talaga.
Hi, baby Vector!
Yung pala yun. Babae ka pala.
Ano pala yun? Ako, tapos siya. consulting ko. Pwede kayong tanggalin sa program. Inisip ko yan. Ang sinabi ko sa kanya, okay, hindi ko tell me that. Sabi ko, sa tinagal ko na kasi ako, nagbinabasa ko lang. Nandun sa ano, kasi di ba hindi ako na-attend na hindi na ako nag-attend. Sabi ko, hindi ko kailangan mag-attend na sa talaga. Kasi, ilan sa ano na apat na taon na so, naka-online. Never akong na-online. Yung sabi ko, ngayon, last ako ayaw talaga nangyari ba? Kasi nangyari yung dati. Ano yung hindi ako? Ayaw talaga sa kanya. Nag-advise sa mga ay, hindi.
I'm gonna change my avatar to Apple because
Gusto ko ginagawa ko ng sarili ko. Diba?
yeah, look, I have 1,750 dollars just because I have
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ang dami niya, ano? Ang dami niya, chichiburit siya. Message ko nga niya siya sa bukas. Sabi ko nga,
This does look like Apple right there.
baby,
Sabi ko yun, yung pamilya natin.
But this, I can have this. I
dati sa ano si Ann, bago sa Pilipinas. Tapos si Teacher Pam. Binigay ka ni Teacher Pam kay Teacher Pam, tapos kay Teacher Laju. Tapos binalikan ka sa akin. Kinuha ko lang. Galing na punta, tatlo na lang.
Where are you? Marine Fortress. Yeah. It's behind Marine. Sort of? Yeah. No.
Karisa, kaya na lang.
It doesn't have.
Tignan mo na yung cellphone ko. Napag-
The sun was behind Marine. No, not there. You think? No, not there. Yeah. What do you have there? Let me say hi. All I have is dark suit. Yeah, I got $400 for phone. I don't really have food. Wait, I went all the way up there. I went all the way up there. I went all the way up there, Kuya. Up there. I went there up all the way. On the tip? Yes. I did. Hey guys. It's like very nice. guys, today, this is day week of the Marine Cat. So if you want to watch my videos, then like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to join my group. So, I don't know why am I dressed up like this. I have a shark tail. And the tree. Is it up with me? Yeah. Wait, what am I? What am I? Yeah, little junior. Whoa, I'm so cute. I have a flag. Enable PvP, what the? No, don't kill me. Wolverine, kill me. Kill me. Good job. Good job. Kill me, Kuya. Kill me. You can. Yes. Yeah, I went all the way up here. Hey, yo! Let's go! I literally just joined. I'm gonna go get the chest plate. Okay. I'm gonna go get the chest. Wait for me.
Kung may issue na ng mga anak ko, sabi niya. Kung may issue na ng mga anak ko, hindi ako kasama doon, sabi niya. Kasi ako gusto ko sumasama sa inyo. Kasi nagkakawa kay ate.
Got the chest. Guys, I'm a female AFK. Yeah, my sister gonna be real AFK. I need to go charge right now. Guys, this that ain't looking mine. What? Discharge. 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 Let's see if it fits. Guys, we're seeing if this charger fits. Nope. No. Doesn't fit, guys. I can't charge. I'm gonna... Guys, I'm gonna just go fire. Friend, how to go second? Oh, he's saying, friend, how to go to second? Oh, that's Mom, I don't see my charger. I don't see my charger. That's not my charger. I'm gonna go kill the Vice Admiral.
hindi na ako makakakaw. Okay lang, alam mo.
Pagkat mo bigyan na na. Kapay.
Akin na. Kalahati.
Kami nagpapabandaan ng gano'n to. Pilipin.
Kalahati na.
Ay, tingnan.
Ay, pinagbubago ng gatas. Yawa.
Guys, I got
Dito na upot.
there's this marshmallow. Like there's like apple. Or even like a mommy.
Oh, mag-water.
Where's my charger? Mommy, where's my charger?
Ano, babe? Ayan.
Sinasama kayo sa kwarto mo. Kasi tatay mo sinabi mo.
Mga bata. Ako ka mga bata.
Nagkasama niyo mga bata. Pwede na magkuhan. Kahit lang naman kita. Nakikin ka naman. Nakikin ka naman. Bi, sagutin mo daw. Naku, grabe! Nanginginig. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, uminom ka muna. May nakadalawa na tubig yan. Sabi ko, alam mo, ayaw mo kasabay ko. Ayaw tawag ko pinanong ko sa cellphone. Sobrang dami. Ay, Bi, bakit naman hindi ka dumede? Oo, pa. Magsabi ko lang, halika.
Sorry guys, I'm drinking water.
Inom mula sa init. Tapos mawala na agad yung pulis.
Oo,
Ano
sinabi
mula?
ko lahat si Mama. Magsama si...
Yo guys.
Inom mula.
We have a class. I also have a class. Guys. I'm gonna go.
Sabi ng mga anak kay Boy, tatay.
Yeah, I want to the school, but he doesn't know I have that yeah. Yeah, I've got
Yang sarap.
Wow, we should drive.
Mamaya makababa ng bata. Maganda na yung mga
Kapag yung asawa niya, wala ka tayo.
Let's sing that chef.
Mamay na kasi yan yung
Why not? Oh yeah, I already got it. Wait lang. Yeah. Guys, I'm going on top of this. Oh my gosh, guys. But how did you get in top? Guys, I'm up here. How did you get in top? How did you get in top? Guys, I'm on I'm on top too. Guys, you can see the whole ocean. So guys, if you're Filipino, we're from the Philippines. Yeah, don't tell your location. Don't tell the people from your family, okay? Please, just kidding. Hey, where's King Arthur? Where's King Arthur? Easy Arthur. Easy Arthur, where are you? I think someone's just fighting. I'm just gonna go to jungle and see if I can roll a fruit.
Paano pag tumapot na natin ng pangasin? Mamaya ka na.
Bro, instead of 8, you're 8 to 10? No, it's 8 to 10. Oh my god. Well, say we're 7. Me and my brother is 7. Oh my god, this guy. He looks so 10. And mommy, where's the charger?
Nandun lang yun. Iba yung charger
Where's the charger?
Ano ko si Daddy? Alam ko kasi si Daddy. Asan yung charger ko? Asan ko yung charger ko?
Guys, going to jungle.
He's selling my age. Ano ba? Ano? Masa? Ay, nasa belt daw. Sabihan mo si Daddy pakakapit. Kasi nga walang forever.
Guys, I'm gonna roll a fruit. Let's go see. Okay.
Sinabihan ko yung Dalia.
Okay, guys. So we're at jungle and we are seeing if there's 4 people that want fruit. Because I saw this guy on the fortress. He said, please fruit light. So he wants the light fruit. And also, guys, that guy is level 60. He should have just bought it. Let's go see. 1 hour and 9 minutes. Guys, it's been 1 hour and 9 minutes. I should probably just buy a fruit. I need to buy a fruit. Because if I don't, then 4 people say, oh, you're 4. 8, I'm 10, I'm 9. Oh, could be 9 and 10. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Let me get to them on the Let me get to them on
Oo, ako din ka rin. Masay daw siya ako kami ka. Aray na. Hindi na conversation.
Sabi ko kaya, bigay ko sa yung ganito nila. Ganun din global phone. Global phone nila. Tapos sabi ko, sabi ko,
But he's a joking.
Ibarap doon.
Yeah, he's a joking. So you should probably just know what he's saying.
oh, Bert na Bert. Bert. Ayos na yan?
I know I want
Yan. Kuyat pa. Sabi, bawal.
maybe he'll give you the batter.
Ang easy yan. Ang easy na naman. O yan.
He doesn't know I can watch. I'm gonna go leave. I'm gonna watch YouTube. I mean, I'm gonna go post a video.
Yan, ikuha bisita.
Ay, di na sa'yo ba? Nasa akin ba? Sana? Hanapin mo daw, sagutin mo daw si madam.
Wait, they're going somewhere.
Mga hindi pa tapos church ng ano yung
Oh, they're going inside. What is they doing? I wanna post a video.
Yeah, oh. Salchi ni Kuya. Matas mga bayan pa.
You have to post a video.
Pag-inako kang kilis, kumain ng balanahan. Uminom ka ganang tubig.
Mommy, you have to post a video.
Saan?
I just... Guys, I can't post a video.